Hi everybody, this is Dale. Welcome to my channel, Not Too Shabby Chic. I have a digital kit that I want to share with you from Happiness and Crafting, Gi Kerr. I am on her design team, and my April kit I've selected, and I want to give you a flip through of the kit that I'm going to be using. I'm not telling you what I'm going to make, but I might do a few craft with me's as I work on it. She wanted us to select one of her embellishment kits to work on, so I selected her digital kit number 2, digital set number 2. I will link below the correct name and a link to her Etsy shop and her Facebook and YouTube channels below. So let's look. This is a beautiful embellishment kit. This is Moments. These both fit on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, so they're nice sized journal cards. And I printed these on a cream cardstock. It's kind of thick. This one says Imagination, and then you've got the pretty blue butterfly with the flowers. This is just a beautiful kit, and I already have in mind what I'm going to make. This is Harmony, Journey. They are so luxurious. They're just beautiful. All of G's kits are amazing. This you get for smaller journaling cards, 2 hearts, and these little plates or banners. I'm not sure what they're called. Are they gorgeous? And these match the other 2 cards, Journey and Harmony. And you get tags, plates of different sizes, hearts, and different size journaling cards. Here are more journaling cards, a circle, 2 other hearts, a little belly bands, and a little oval tuck spot, or it could be like a book plate. So that is the digital embellishment kit number 2. 6 pages, and they are gorgeous. So I encourage you guys to run on over and pick you up a set or this digital kit, and you could do some craft with me's when I am about to do them. I'll start working on these probably next week, and I'll give you a hint. I'm going to do a tab bound little journal with the bigger cards, and that's all I'm going to say. But it'll be fun, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Know you are loved. I love you guys, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.